Q3263. As altitude increases, the indicated airspeed at which a given airplane stalls in a particular configuration will A. Decrease as the true airspeed decreases. B. Decrease as the true airspeed increases. C. Remain the same regardless of altitude. The correct answer is C. The altitude at which an airplane is flying does not impact the indicated airspeed at which it stalls, particularly in the altitudes commonly used by general aviation aircraft. This means that during the landing approach, regardless of the airport's elevation or density altitude, pilots should aim to maintain the same indicated airspeed to avoid a stall. 2233. The direct cause of every stall is excessive. A. Angle of attack. B. Density altitude. C. Upward vertical velocity. The correct answer is A. The direct cause of every stall is excessive angle of attack. When the angle of attack, which is the angle between the chord line of the airfoil and the relative wind, becomes too high, the smooth flow of air over the wing is disrupted. This disruption leads to a separation of airflow, resulting in a loss of lift and an increase in drag. As a result, the aircraft experiences a stall where it no longer maintains sufficient lift to counteract its weight. It's important for pilots to be aware of and manage the angle of attack to prevent stalling during flight. 3309. In what flight condition must an aircraft be placed in order to spin? A. Partially stalled with one wing low. B. In a steep diving spiral. C. Stalled. The correct answer is C. A spin occurs when an airplane is subjected to a significant amount of rolling or yawing control input while in a stalled condition. It is important to note that a spin can only happen when the wing is already stalled. If the wing is not in a stalled state, a spin cannot take place. 3310. During a spin to the left, which wings are stalled? A. Both wings are stalled. B. Neither wing is stalled. C. Only the left wing is stalled. The correct answer is A. In a spin, both wings of an aircraft are stalled, although one wing may be less stalled than the other. It is important to understand that a spin occurs when both wings experience a stalled condition, resulting in an uncontrolled and sustained autorotation. 3219. One of the main functions of flaps during approach and landing is to A. Decrease the angle of descent without increasing the airspeed. B. Permit a touchdown at a higher indicated airspeed. C. Increase the angle of descent without increasing the airspeed. The correct answer is C. One of the main functions of flaps during approach and landing is to increase the angle of descent without increasing the airspeed. By deploying flaps, the effective camber of the wing is increased, which generates more lift at a given airspeed. This increased lift allows the aircraft to maintain a steeper descent path while maintaining a relatively slower airspeed, allowing for a controlled approach and landing. The increased angle of descent provided by the flaps enables the pilot to make a steeper approach to the runway, aiding in achieving a precise touchdown point and reducing the required landing distance.